Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S23 FE randomly shuts off issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and from here restart your mobile, and after restarting open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here open battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on auto optimization, and from here turn off restart when needed button. So if you have turned on this button, then turn it off and then go back and here click on general management. Then here scroll down and click on reset, and now scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now again click on reset settings to confirm, and then enter your lock screen passcode.